The Dodge Charger Hellcat is one of the last loud, heavy American super sedans that sneaks up on daily life with 700 plus horsepower and a personality that's as bold as its styling. That charisma comes with trade-offs. This video concentrates on real-world problems and shortcomings that Hellcat owners and technicians report most often. Not marketing copy or lap times, but the recurring, sometimes expensive headaches you should know before buying. Many of these are supported by manufacturer service bulletins and large owner forum threads. Others are frequent owner complaints that point to patterns worth weighing when you consider one for purchase. Hellcats aren't exempt from ordinary cosmetic issues. Owners report thin or delaminating clear coat, especially on bumpers and high-impact areas, meaning chips and peeling can show up early and require repainting or protective film. Frameless doors and tight body tolerances also create wind noise or whistling complaints, usually noticeable above 35 to 40 miles per hour, that sometimes trace back to weather strip/window seating or hood seal issues. These exterior problems are typically annoying and cosmetic, but repairs, paint, seals, body shop work are not always cheap on specialty finishes. The Uconnect infotainment system, especially older 8.4-inch units, is repeatedly reported to freeze, blank out, or suffer touchscreen unresponsiveness that can require dealer reflash or module replacement. Owners also report wear on seat bolsters sooner than expected on track or aggressive street use cars, and rattles from trim pieces at higher mileages. Climate control oddities, backup camera glitches, and random warning lights are commonly logged on owner forums. Many of these are intermittent electrical gremlins rather than catastrophic failures, yet they affect ownership quality and can cost time at the dealer for diagnosis. The heart of the Hellcat is a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi, LT4 derived in various trims, and it's where the biggest ownership trade-offs appear. Frequent real problems reported by owners include higher than normal oil consumption, sometimes traced to valve stem seals or lifter issues, supercharger bearing noise or intercooler overheating under sustained high load, and occasional coolant/L leaks that have led to recalls or service campaigns. There are also documented emissions and catalytic converter service instructions for early model years, not uncommon given the extra thermal load from forced induction. And in rare cases, owners report catastrophic failures when engines have been heavily modified or poorly tuned. Forum and service bulletin histories show that while many Hellcats give years of trouble-free fun, the supercharged V8 rewards careful maintenance and conservative tuning. Neglect or aggressive aftermarket upgrades raise the odds of expensive engine work. Hellcats use beefed-up automatic gearboxes, ZF-based 8-speed variants, or similar high-torque automatics that are generally robust, but they are not bulletproof, especially when the car is driven hard, launched aggressively, or modified for more power. Owners have reported issues ranging from torque converter shudder and premature wear of driveline components, axles, carrier bearings, to software ECU calibration problems that cause odd shift behavior. Several forum threads and troubleshooting guides document real cases where launches damaged axles or where transmission-related vibration was traced to misrouted components or fluid fill bleeding issues. Transmission repairs or driveline component replacements can be costly, and warranty coverage depends on whether the vehicle was modified or abused. The Hellcat suspension is tuned for both straight-line stability and surprisingly good cornering for its size, but owners highlight a few recurring weaknesses. Sensitivity to alignment and toe settings, leading to high-speed pull or tramlining, premature wear of bushings and control arm components on cracked pavement, and an occasional death wobble or harsh vibration when wheel tire balance, tie rod ends, or electronic steering adaptive damping sensors are out of spec. Track use and heavy launches increase stress on rear subframe and differential components. Some owners moving from stock to stiffer aftermarket setups find NVH, noise vibration harshness, increases and faster wear on rubber components, so plan for more frequent alignment, balancing, and bushing inspection if you intend serious performance driving. The Dodge Charger Hellcat is intoxicating, a usable four-door that still offers supercar-adjacent straight-line speed. But that power brings trade-offs. Expect higher running costs, tires, brakes, fuel, more frequent attention to cooling and drivetrain components, and a higher chance of intermittent electrical or infotainment annoyances. Many owners enjoy thousands of trouble-free miles, yet the pattern in forums, TSBs, and recall histories shows the Hellcat performs best with careful maintenance, conservative tuning, and realistic expectations about wear and repair costs. If you plan to buy, prioritize a full service history, prefer unmodified cars, verify any outstanding recalls or TSB repairs with VIN-level checks, and budget for higher consumable and repair costs than a typical commuter sedan.